Good morning, children. So, today we are going to revise another story for story completion, right? So, the story that we are going to today is The Fox and the Crow. The Fox and the Crow. Now, today we are going to do this revision in a different manner. Earlier, I was narrating the story to you, and then you were filling up the blanks given in the story, right? But today, I'm not going to narrate any story to you. You have to look at these pictures, try to understand the story yourself, and then read out the story in the written form here, and then filling up the blanks with the help of the words given here will be done by you, right? For example, let's start The Fox and the Crow. Look at the pictures carefully. You can see here fox and the crow. Fox, crow. In this scene, fox, crow, and here again fox and crow, right? So let's read out the words given here in the help box. Mouth, song, meat, clever, fell, plan. I repeat, mouth, song, meat. You know what is meat? The flesh of an animal. Meat, clever, fell. The fell is the second form of fall. Fall, fell. Plan. Okay, now let's read the story and see which word will fit in the blank. Okay, so here we go. Once upon a time, there was a crow. He had, see, once upon a time, there was a crow. He had a piece of dash. He had a piece of, see, he has something in the mouth. Now, what it can be? Which piece it can be? Mouth, song, meat, clever, fell, or plan. Which piece it can be? Of course, meat. So you have to see which word will suit here in the blank. Okay, it cannot be piece of mouth or song or clever or fell or plan. So it has to be meat. He had a piece of meat. A hungry fox came there. His hungry fox came there. His dash watered when he saw the piece of meat. His dash watered. What watered? Mouth, song watered, clever, fell, or plan. What does water? Mouth. So mouth will come here. His mouth watered when he saw the piece of meat. He thought of a dash to get it. He thought of a dash to get it. So what did he think of? Song, meat, clever, fell, or plan? Plan. He thought of a plan to get it. He praised. Praise means to appreciate, to like. He praised the voice of the crow. The fox said him to sing a dash. Sing a what? This one is easy. Sing a song. Sing a song in his beautiful voice. As the crow started singing, the piece of meat dashed down. Let's read again. As the crow started singing, the piece of meat dashed down. What? What down? Mouth is done, song is done, meat is done. Now clever, fell, or plan. Plan is done. Fell. So the piece of the meat fell down. The dash ate fox ate the piece of meat and went away. The dash fox. What kind of fox? Now only one word is left, that is clever. The clever fox. Clever means the one who is very smart. The clever fox ate the piece of meat and went away. Now our story is complete. Okay, so this is the way you will complete your story okay, in your notebooks, right? So for today, you have to complete this story, write this entire story in your notebook, and then fill up the blanks yourself. Okay? I'm not going to give you the answers. You have to fill the blanks by yourself. Okay? Bye bye. Take care.